is not that neat. Good morning. I'm in my homeware right now, and I'm just gonna eat brunch. I have an onigiri. I'm gonna eat that right now. Ta-da! This is a spam one. I was ordering this. I made sure to say it like in an American accent, like onigiri, so they can understand me. But when he repeated the order to me, he was like onigiri. I was like, so that was kind of embarrassing. Is it working? I don't know. Why am I even drying my hair? I don't even need to dry my hair. Oh, there's my phone. Hello?
Okay, do you want any sliced pizza?
Sure.
Okay, bye.
Oh, bye. I'm not sure what to do with my makeup today. Last day of the year is December 31st. I think I might go for like an orange look. Just brush through them. Oh, I forgot to do mascara. Oh my goodness. What am I doing? Mascara. This is my favorite mascara.
Risk.
You didn't get any peach.
Peach, or use apples.
Okay. It's Texas though. In each and
They
every
make
state.
this. I have to make fruit on.
What is next year?
Did you put cream cheese in there?
No, what?
You know, like key lime pie or something.
But this is not pie though. Hi everyone, so I already baked the cake and then I made custard also. I didn't show that though. I showed some of it, but not most of it. But I'm just gonna decorate the cake now. Our New Year's cake. Here's the first layer. Here. I made a lot of ganache earlier. I'm just gonna put that on top. Like that.
Save now! And there's like no watermark, which is like cool.
Ta-da! Okay, the lettering is not that neat, but it's fine. Hello. I finished making the cake. I don't know if I showed it. But with the extra ganache, I made a French hot chocolate. It's really good. But it's like, it's straight up chocolate, so. But I just added a lot of milk, so it's not too much chocolate.
Pista.
The stones. Okay, is this mine or?
I'm going to cut the cake. Oh, I don't know if I showed the top. Oh. Look at the layer. Oh, this looks so nice. Ta-da! And then here is my slice. Oh, this looks good. Let's try it. Oh, it looks so good. Look how neat that looks. You know what? Proud of myself. Okay, let's have the first bite. Mmm. The cake is kind of dry. Mmm. Alright.
No power. Isn't it so humid outside?
My goodness.
Oh, it's raining. Yeah.
So smoky. Oh my gosh. Ah! There's udon. We're making udon.
I mean, it's dinner. If you know. I mean, this is morning, if you know what I mean.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year's.
One of my friends is like, Happy New Year.
In France, it's New Year's.
Yeah, it's
Water. I remember one time after I like put the
Here, I bet.
pot on the stove.
yeah, for like
26. It's like that.
that. And then
As long as it's recording. What's that sound?
Yeah. I think Grandma would, but.
like that.
I remember.
We're starting off the New Year's right.
Yeah. We're fooding.
Happy New Year. And the first thing I want to watch is Grey's Anatomy.
Ta-da! We're just waiting for the water to boil.
We are.
Two, one.
Look at the clock.
Here's mine. I don't even put it in my. Okay. There's not a lot of water. I made too much water.
Wow. First show good of the year. Oh, let's just hold this little.
Oh, I don't think it's ready. I think I need to microwave mine too.
It's not blowing up after GoPro. I'm gonna put it like right nearby, not there, and pick the best ones. Turn off.
Good morning. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining outside. It's been raining for a while. I need to put new sheets because I washed yesterday, but I never put on the sheets. So I'm gonna do that right now. Hi everyone, if you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. I wish I could film more, but today's Friday, I have to upload this video today. So, I'm wishing you guys a good 2021. Bye!